Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to make a fish stock, a foundational ingredient for many delicious seafood dishes. We'll start with the essential components. You'll need about 3 pounds of fish bones and heads from lean, white-fleshed fish, ensuring a clean, delicate flavor. For aromatics, prepare 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 3 celery stalks, and 2 cloves of garlic. Additionally, have 7 cups of cold water, half a cup of dry white wine, and a few sprigs of fresh parsley, and thyme ready. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, thoroughly rinse your fish bones and heads under cold water to eliminate any blood or unwanted impurities. Next, chop your onion, carrots, celery, and garlic into small, uniform pieces. This helps them release their flavors efficiently. In a large stock pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat, then sauté your chopped vegetables for approximately 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Finally, deglaze the pan with half a cup of dry white wine, allowing it to cook down for about 2 minutes. With your aromatics prepared, it's time to build the stock. Add the cleaned fish bones, 7 cups of cold water, and your fresh herbs like parsley and thyme to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, being careful not to let it reach a rolling boil, as this can make the stock cloudy and bitter. As it heats, use a spoon to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Continue to simmer the stock gently for 20 to 30 minutes. Cooking it longer can extract undesirable flavors. Once your stock has simmered for the recommended time, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This brief cooling period helps settle any remaining particles. Next, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh strainer, which you can line with cheesecloth for extra clarity, into a clean container. Discard the solids. Once completely cooled, transfer your fish stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or you can freeze it for up to 6 months for future culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.